Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got in some additional DBK black bolts, as I mentioned in my previous videos. These will be replacing the blue ones that I got and installed a couple of weeks ago. I was tinkering between going with blue versus black themed on the bike. I decided I am fully going black on the bike, so I'm going to be replacing the blue bolts. And of course, the blue bolts I'm going to put them on sale. So I will sell them if anybody's interested in them. But here are the part numbers for different parts, cylinder heads, bolts. We got the windshield screws, we got the side panel screws, the handguard bolts, the low exhaust bolt kit, and the front fender bolt kit, all in black. So let's put these on. But first, to remove all these blue bolts that you see. Again, if you have a trophy or you want to go with a blue themed, these might be what you need. Comment down below and let me know if you guys are interested in buying these. Well, there you have it. From blue to black. So continuing on with the theme, waiting for some carbon fiber parts to be produced and made. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel, guys. Really do appreciate it. Talk soon.